the 2014 Ford Taurus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes power seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rain-sensing wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.